Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with Infant Toddler Youth and Car Seat Quickie. I'm here filming at the pump station and nursery, and we're going to show you where the loosening button is for the different Nuna car seats. So if you've got a car seat like the Nuna Pipa RX, the button is actually visible. You just need to push it with one hand and pull away from the shoulder with the other hand. If you've got one like the Nuna Pipa Urban, the button is actually inside the slit here. So you see where the tightening strap is? There's a slit right behind it. You got to get your finger in there, hold the button down, and then with your other hand, you pull away from the shoulder. Then if you've got like the Pipa Air RX, where the button is inside this little tunnel here, and it's covered by a piece of cloth, so you won't be able to see it. But if you get your finger in there, you're going to feel the button. You need to push and hold it down, and then that'll let you pull on the shoulder with your other hand. With any of these car seats, you do need two hands to loosen it. One hand is going to find and hold down the button, while your other hand pulls from the shoulder. If you pull on one side, the other side will adjust with it. The straps will always stay even. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.